guys, it's Kimmy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, and if you already have, thank you so much. It means so much to me. Alright, today we are doing a very exciting video because we're going to be making Valentine inspired Rice Krispie treats. I have all the ingredients here beside me. I put them into beautiful little bowls because I'm fancy like that. There's marshmallows, color fruity flavored marshmallows, Rice Krispie cereal, and chocolate wafers with sprinkles, food coloring, and vanilla. So the first thing that you're going to do is melt butter into a pan. I just have it turned on low and I put about a tablespoon of butter in there. And then once the butter is melted, I'm going to add my marshmallows into this, and eventually I will add my Rice Krispies and start mixing once they're a little melted. I think I'm gonna need more marshmallows than that. So I have melted the marshmallows mostly. It's only been a couple of minutes, about 5 minutes. I love this step because the marshmallows get so ooey and gooey and they're so much fun to mix around. One tip that I will say when you're adding the butter to the pan is to add it up on the sides so that the marshmallows don't get too stuck to the side of your pan, and it's easier to clean at the end, which is always a good thing. Once they're pretty much melted up, I'm gonna add my vanilla, which I have about a teaspoon of vanilla portioned out here, and I'm gonna spill it. Try not to spill yours. That's gonna give it that yummy vanilla flavor that we all love with our Rice Krispie treats. So now that the marshmallows are all melted up, I'm gonna add the cereal to this. And here we go. You may have to add more cereal depending on how gooey you like your Rice Krispies. I'm definitely gonna have to add more cereal. Alright, I think that's good. I think that's how gooey I like mine to be. So I'm gonna switch them over into their permanent container now. It fills this perfectly. Looks like I measured that. If you want to do it again with colored marshmallows, I just did it and they kind of turned out a little bit pink. So yeah, you can go ahead and do exactly the same steps with colored marshmallows. Let's make some shapes. Not really sure how this is gonna work.
Yeah.
I oiled up the sides of these so that they will smoothly glide through the melted marshmallow. I feel like we need something heavy.
So I got it in. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get it out.
Maybe sprinkles will help. Oh, it's working. All right. Oh, all right. You got yours?
I got one.
Aw, he's cute. He's pink.
I'm gonna try this mushroom now. I'm gonna go a little bit farther away from the edge because I think that's what screwed me up.
Boo! Hey, it worked.
This mushroom is going much better than the Cupid.
It's going much better.
Much better.
We also made these cookies. Time to decorate! I just finished mixing the food coloring in with the chocolate that we melted, and now we are going to use this to decorate our Rice Krispie treats and then add the sprinkles and stuff, and we'll be finished. I'm so excited! As you can see, I have started decorating our Rice Krispie treats. So we have different colored icing, which is just melted chocolate that we made. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make Valentine's Day Rice Krispie treats and gain some inspiration for the upcoming holiday. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thank you guys for
They're really good.
do it. Be serious. Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry,
you said.
I'm sorry. Alright. If you're new here, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. And if you already have, then so today we're gonna be baking. We're not really baking.